up, guys? It's Caitlin, and today I am in my kitchen because we're gonna be whipping in the kitchen. That was lame. But I'm going to be making a little something today. And it's probably literally the world's most easiest recipe. And that is going to be coffee jelly. Now. I got this idea from Simon and Martina, who I love them so much. They are my favorite Japanese YouTubers. They are amazing. They're so cute, and I love them. And so, I love Caity, and this is like his favorite dish, and he eats this all the time. So I kind of wanted to make it also because of that. So there's two reasons why I made this. So I'm gonna be making coffee jelly, like I said, and it's literally so easy. And by the way, if you want a good video that's going to be informative, don't come here. Actually, it might be informative. I don't know. But go to Simon and Martina. Theirs is much better. I just wanted to do this as a little fun thing because I like Caity. The Disastrous Life of Caity. I really highly recommend that anime if you have not watched it. It's on Netflix and on Crunchyroll. Don't know about Funimation. This stuff smells like shit. What? So the ingredients you'll need are 1 package of unflavored gelatin, which smells like shit, so be prepared. 2 tablespoons of hot water, that is for when you dissolve the gelatin in hot water. Which honestly didn't work out very well for me, so yeah. 3 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 cups of coffee. Now, this coffee is pumpkin coffee, so we getting festive up in here. So, let's do this. So first you're supposed to, like I said, do the gelatin in a small bowl, but I'm having a little bit of issues with that. Actually, plot twist, first step is you should put your hair up because we don't want that in our food. Now, do we? I don't know how this looks. Probably like crap, but who cares? Okay, now, I don't know, what am I supposed to do? So we're going to take this pan. I think it'll fit 2 cups of coffee. Let's hope. Let's hope. Can you see me? Yes, whatever. All right. I'm gonna take my coffee. That aroma is nice. Okay, I'm gonna take my coffee, pour it in here. Ooh, nasty. Let's get some sugar. Honey, you are my girl. How many? 3. See? Actually, I'm gonna count in Japanese. So, I did ichi, ni, san. Okay, so that's our 3 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, I hate mason jars. Okay, cool. Now, we're going to put in the gelatin. Ooh, she's thick. I don't know if I let it dissolve for long enough. Who knows? Who cares? Not me. I don't even like coffee. So, Yo. I'm just stirring it a bit. Ew, that's like snot. Okay, now we're gonna take it to the stove. To the stove, to the stove, to the stove, stove. Yeah. Now you're gonna bring it to a boil. Now that we're bringing it to a boil, this might take some time. Let's have a little quick talking session. I don't know what to talk about. So this sweater is very comfortable. I don't know where my sister got it, but she got it for me for Christmas because she loves me. It's very soft and stuff. This is my first time wearing it. It's cold in my house. It's always cold in my house because my mom is, what is the word I would use? I don't know, but she likes it like a tundra in here, so I gotta be warm. I think something's about to explode. Okay. But so, as you know, this recipe, well, not this recipe, I will link this recipe in the description because it's probably better than how I'm explaining it. I don't know, I'm explaining it pretty well, I would say. So this thing, coffee jelly, first when I heard about it was from Caity, The Disastrous Life of Caity. It is an anime, a comedy-based one. It's literally so funny and just so random and stupid. So like if you like those things, I recommend you watch it. I think it's pretty popular anime, so whatever. It's boiling. Okay, look at this. She cute. Oh, whatever. So now I'm going to pour it in the molds, which I might die from this. Ooh. Oh my God, how do I do this? Okay, cool. Cute or whatever. Okay, cool. Ooh, it really smells pumpkin-y. Ooh, I don't know if this one's gonna fill all the way up. Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh, well, it's not as high as the other ones, but whatever. So now we're going to stick this in the fridge. Not the freezer, yeah, the fridge. Hi. Okay. This is my fridge. I have nothing in it. Oh, you want to know a funny story? This is, like, we have nothing in our fridge. We have so much nothing in our fridge that our fridge is too cold that our milk literally froze. I don't eat cereal often, but when I do, I obviously want milk, you know? Yeah, no, that's how it goes. Cute. So, to finish off my story, I finally, once in a lifetime, wanted cereal. Went to go get the milk. It's freaking frozen in our fridge because we don't have enough food in our fridge. I was just perplexed. I was like, oh my God, what is this? But it's okay. My mom put the milk in hot water to unfreeze it. So that was a fun little story. So I'll be back in like 6 to 7 hours to check on my babies. Oh, another thing you'll need, by the way, I should have said this earlier. Why am I like slouched like that? Let me just get on my knees. Ooh, this looks crooked. When you make this, almost said get sour cream. What is it called? Get whipped cream, because you like put a little dollop of daisy on top. You know, that's sour cream also. So yeah, see you in 6 to 7 hours. Okay, so now the coffee jelly is ready. All I have to do is plate it, and then we'll taste it. Oh yeah, it's gonna come out now. Got it. It's not the most beautiful, but it's all about taste, not it's so jiggly. Okay. Pop a little pop pop. Look. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Jiggly. Get me spin. I don't know how great of an advocate I am for this because I do not like coffee. It's interesting. Very, very interesting. I like the texture. I like the whipped cream with it. It makes it. I feel like I'd like it if it was caramel coffee. Because I like caramel. Because you can definitely taste the pumpkinness in this coffee. It's so jiggly. So, caramel coffee is what I'm going to try with it next. But I don't think it's too bad. So I hope you enjoyed my cooking video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below of what you would like to see next. Please hit that subscribe button to see more of me and my shenanigans. And hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.